What's up, guys? Jason from Tattooed Car Culture. So my buddy Rich is down from Vegas. He goes by Scatpack Rich from Instagram, and he's got this amazing bagged wide body Scatpack charger. It's I think it's the first in the world for the Shirokai kit, if I'm saying that right. But we're gonna go check it out in person. So stay tuned, and more to come. Be pulling up, and holy
perfect.
All right, guys, we're here with none other than Rich himself with his amazing wide body charger. So Rich, what do you want to tell us about it?
Well, this is a 2018 Scatpack. Recently upgraded with the Shirokai kit. Crazy story behind it. It's kind of all just got thrown in my lap, and this is kind of what it turned out with. I wound up with some LD97, LD06 to be exact.
The wheels?
Yes, sir. Those are 22 by 11.5 up front, with a 5.5-inch lip. The rear's 22 by 13.5 with a 7.5-inch step lip. You're not gonna find anything bigger than that. So,
and then what kit did you go with?
It's a Shirokai kit.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it came from Russia. Shirokai, I don't know how that happened, but you know what? It fucking works, and that's pretty much the outcome right there, fam.
Those of you that want to do a wide body, there's a bunch of different ways you can do it, but how difficult was it for you and your team?
Honestly, this was actually a plug and play kit. I couldn't be more happier than what we got. That was one thing that I was really stressed out over, was how difficult it was going to be to install, to hang, to tape up, to mock up. Realistically, man, we put it on the body, threw a couple soft taps in there, and was done. We literally took a day and a half to bolt this whole thing up.
So I'm sure you probably get asked this a lot, but what's next for this beautiful beast?
Honestly, I'm thinking about horsepower now.
Yeah. I'm
thinking about either Whipple or Pro Charge. Do my internals first, of course. You need a big motor for that thing, so.
There's no replacement for displacement, right?
Right, exactly.
Unless it's boosted, and that's a whole other thing. So, right on, Rich. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Perfect.
was awesome. Rich, thanks for coming out and showing us your car. That thing's a beauty. Guys, make sure you follow him on Instagram, and just stay tuned for the next video in this segment. You know, it's going to be unique builds, and I got another one coming for you guys. So stay humble, be unique. God bless. Peace.